So over to you, Isha.
Hi, thanks, Subhashini, for the wonderful introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Isha Vahekar. I'm a clinical and performance nutritionist at PointFit. And today I will be sharing Praveen Phadtare's case study with you guys. So, this case study is kind of like a very clear possibility of anything can happen if one intends to do it, because hence I've given the title also, that powering through priorities, what your priorities should be, how you should prioritize your health, and how to make work with whatever problems you're facing and how to find solutions on it. So मेजरली इनका केस कैसा था कि बहुत टाइट डेडलाइंस, ही इज बेसिकली इनटू रियल एस्टेट, सो अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग, अ लॉट ऑफ attention to his work life balance was very much a requirement. Back to back meetings, responsibilities of managing his household and his work life, along with compromising on a few commitments, like जब उनका फ्री टाइम रहता था तो they used to go out with friends, फ्रेंड के साथ जाके थोड़ा सा डाइट के ऊपर से ध्यान हट जाता था. So his major concern was merely more towards prioritizing on how his diet can improve and along with workouts. So client profile अगर देखते हैं, so his full name is Praveen Phadtare and he is 43 years of age now. So he basically had a history of abnormal lipid profile and his weight was almost 137 when he started, and his major goal was fat loss. So history अगर उनकी थोड़ी सी देखते हैं तो jam packed schedule, constant juggle of professional and personal responsibilities, and along with that थोड़ा सा planning के ऊपर ध्यान था, along with getting consistent. So in the end, he did not only just manage his work-life balance, but also made impressive stride toward his fitness. So majority अभी उनका अभी हम पूरा कैसे हमने ये किया देखते हैं. So me being a nutritionist, my approach was majorly rooted कि जब वो घर पे रहते हैं तो how his general routine or his diet recall is, and along with that how I can match the diet plan. So long work hours were a given, high stress was also a given. So यहाँ पे मेरा पूरा focus था on structuring high protein meals या फिर थोड़ा सा one pot meals which would be easier for him to eat, improving his hydration, supporting his gut health for better assimilation and nutrient absorption. Effective additions which we made were curd, lemon water, fiber-rich foods to improve satiety. I also emphasized on realistic meal planning and not fat diets, because he was very much with the idea कि हम थोड़ा सा fat diet अगर कर लेते हैं तो जल्दी result attainable हो सकता है. Smart snacking options when he was traveling, flexible dining options when he was outside with his friends or business trips, allowing him to stay consistent even during his busy work weeks or social weekends. तो ये mindset हमने उनका build किया था पूरा. As Akshay is unavailable today, so fitness वाला portion आज cover नहीं हो पाएगा. So sorry for that, guys. अगर BCA analysis देखते हैं तो his starting weight here was 122.5 kgs and now the current weight is 93. The new BCA has not been updated, but I am very glad to explain कि अभी हमारा और progression हुआ है after like say in the next 15-20 days, and we have reached the perfect balance goal. उनका target weight भी यही था 93 kgs का. So this is just the fitness assessment report. You guys can just go through it if you like. Initially उनका muscular endurance test था जहाँ पे उनका दोनों right and left थोड़ा बहुत fail के ही side पे जा रहा था, अभी पूरा का पूरा pass के यहाँ पे आ चुका है. Along with that, measurements also you can see a really drastic effect. So now fitness assessment में अगर देखते हैं, he was initially at the stage 2 hypertension जहाँ पे उनका pulse rate भले ही normal था. So that was a work what me and Akshay took on. Then cardiorespiratory fitness उनका fair ही था, but अभी superior level पे वो पहुंच चुके हैं. उनका muscular endurance अगर देखते हैं, 17 kneeling push-ups से 20 squats and 16 to 25 TRX pull-ups in 1 minute, ये उनका enhanced strength, stamina और overall resilience दिखा रहा है. फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की अगर बात करते हैं, स्टिल नीड्स थोड़ा सा स्लाइट इम्प्रूवमेंट, बट डेफिनेटली जो डे 1 पे था और अभी है बहुत अच्छा डिफरेंस है. challenges उनके जो main, like I mentioned priorly, managing his extremely tight work profile. As generally अगर देखते हैं, we tried to push him to the best level along with constant travel and everything. Timeline अगर हम देखते हैं 12 weeks and counting है, because he is still an active member here and we are still hitting goals on and on. एक गोल खत्म हुआ, हम दूसरा गोल का रोड मैप बना रहे हैं, दूसरा खत्म हुआ, तीसरे का रोड मैप बना रहे हैं, and that is how we are taking his journey further. So started with mobility as the first checkpoint and यही उनका pushing strength है, या फिर aiming for better functional movement, strength and mobility, यही हमारे major checkpoints थे. अभी न्यूट्रिशन की अगर बात करते हैं तो सर हैज मेनली 2 मेजर मील्स. कभी अगर लगता है तो ही वो ब्रेकफास्ट खा लेते हैं, इफ इन केस ही हैज एनी ट्रैवल्स प्लान, एंड हैज 3 to 5 days बैक टू बैक डेज ऑफ ट्रैवल, जहाँ पे हम मेनली बैलेंस उनके मील कर लेते हैं. ही हैज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एपेटाइट विद नो डिसलाइक्स, सो बेसिकली उनका प्लान बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल रहता था. easy for him to carry, easy for him to eat and enjoy majorly. So he does follow a moderate advanced workout right now, requiring definite energy and protein intake for proper recovery and strength. उनका ऑलमोस्ट 6 से 7 घंटा अभी नींद हुआ है प्रॉपर, विच इज लाइक अ गुड चेक पॉइंट फॉर हिम ऑल्सो, विच इज ऑल्सो सपोर्टिंग हिज मेटाबॉलिज्म एंड मसल रिपेयर. Medications he himself did not want to start any, so there were no medications, and intoxications occasionally थे. ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स में माइनर चेंजेस were there in lipid and the diabetic profile, because हमने थोड़ा सा ब्लड टेस्ट भी उनका लेट करवाना पॉसिबल हुआ था उनके साइड से, तो मे बी तब तक ऑलमोस्ट 2 to 2.5 months हो गए थे, एंड आई गेस द फर्स्ट हीलिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ दिस बॉडी वाज ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट. सो इनिशियल चेंजेस अगर हम देखते हैं तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बैलेंस मील, जहाँ पे इजी रहना चाहिए, easy recipes which I used to provide him, like a total cookbook in general, जहाँ पे वो पूरा उनके वाइफ से वो बनवा के लेते थे, and he used to take portable snacks and hydration completely with him on his travel. Buttermilk पूरा भर के लेके जाते थे खुद के साथ. He used to make one pot meals during his travels. जब घर पे थे तब पूरा जैसे मैंने प्लान डिजाइन करके दिया था वैसे का वैसे फॉलो करने का कोशिश करते थे. सप्लीमेंट्स की अगर बात करते हैं तो मेजर देयर वर ओनली 3 supplements which were given, which was omega 3, which was 2000 mg in total, for recovery, for better joint mobility, motion, etc., and Livfix for liver enzyme dysfunction initially था क्योंकि, तो now his metabolic rate is really good as per the BCS also. Then L-carnitine for better adipose tissue oxidation. So currently we are reaching optimal performance, जहाँ पे उनका अभी proper advanced level का workout चालू करने वाले हैं अक्षय सर. So yeah, this is about the roadmap which I was talking about. You can just go through the starting point of the weight trainings, because as Akshay sir is not here to represent this, I will just give 2 minutes for everyone to read this. Give a thumbs up once done so I can take it forward. These are a few meal pictures. अगर आप देखते हैं तो ऐसे ही इनके थोड़े से आउटसाइड वाले ऑप्शंस रहा करते थे, और he used to just go for salads in such cases. During travel, these were a few meal options which he used to take. And the rest were his home options, जब वो proper भाकरी, एक कोई भी लीफी सब्जी जैसे बोला गया था वैसे, eggs compulsory रहेंगे along with a good amount of salad. Colorful yet balanced is what I used to tell him. So these are his week-wise progressions. I will just give one minute for each slide so you guys can read it. Moving ahead. If you see, this was his first diet done on BCA. And this was his workout plan, which Akshay Sir has also shared. This was week 3 and week 4. These were the second plan. And also added ACV, which is apple cider vinegar, for better gut health. Pre-meals for him. This was the back and biceps and legs ka workout plan, if you can see it here. And so I used to take Tabata training also for him, which is an HIIT workout. This is week 5 and week 6. This is the third one. So I completely got rid of milk tea, by the way, and now is kind of resilient because he is like, I lost the taste completely. अभी मुझको hibiscus tea और chamomile tea में ही ज़्यादा interest आता है, which was like a win-win for all three of us. Week 7 and week 8. Plan. I had also added zinc for 1 or 2 plants so that he can achieve a better hormonal control. Also, I had added a detox tea here, if you can see, because he kind of liked this. Nine and 10. Last 2 weeks. These were his blood test ke comparative analysis. So if you can see, TSH levels have gone down from almost 2.13 to 1.85. And then triglycerides, which were last time 280, were almost gone down to 133. And cholesterol, it is still yet to go down a little bit, but again, that was also a really big win for him because he was afraid that he would have to start some medication for his BP and his cholesterol, which was like not a need post this. So he was really happy. Thanks, guys. This was about it.